Welcome to Diane's Designs and Boutique, where we teach you how to make beautiful home decor for yourself, great gifts, and even start your own decor business. Today we're going to be using our double-sided 6x18 box frame, and we're going to just take a candlestick from the Dollar Tree and rub it all over the frame, and then paint over that with some white chalk paint. The candle wax will make it very easy for us to just scrape back the paint and distress this piece. Super quick and easy. Once we have it painted, I'm just going to dry it completely before we move on to the next step. Now I'll just run over the piece with the paint scraper that I got at the Dollar Tree, and that will just lift the paint up easily wherever the wax is under it. This allows us to reveal that beautiful stain color that is under the white chalk paint. Now I'm just going to go over that with some of my Chalk Couture surface wax, and that will protect the paint as well as protecting the back of my transfer. We'll just get that wax a little bit dry and then just buff it. So now I'm going to pull out my Live by Faith Reusable Transfer. This is a two-sided transfer. One is Live by Faith, Grow in Grace, and the other one is This is a House of Prayer. I just love this reusable transfer. You can reuse these 8 to 12 times, so you can make lots of signs for your business or lots of gifts for your family with this transfer. And I'm just going to fuzz it a little bit, meaning just get a little lint on the back of it to ease the adhesive a little bit. And then I'm going to place it onto the double-sided box frame. Just center it right in there and then press it down, making sure there's no air underneath it, because that is an actual clear silk screen in there, not a stencil. So once the air is all out, I'm just going to cover it with black velvet chalk paste. So our paste goes on wet and dries completely hard. And then I'm going to use dusk blue. This is a great color combination for my home, but the beauty is that you can choose exactly what colors go best in your home. I'm just now setting this on the backer sheet, and I'll take it in and wash it with just plain water, front and back, lay it sticky side up, and when it's completely dry, put it back on the backer sheet because you can reuse these 8 to 12 times. So now I'm just going to add a ribbon accent. I have this 1.5 inch ribbon with that buffalo plaid around the edges that will be perfect. I'm going to run a band around one side, and then I'm going to make a messy bow. Just cut several strips of each of the ribbons and then just crisscross them, pinch them together, and I'm going to put a little 4-inch cable tie around it to hold it really secure. These little messy bows are just so fun to make. Once everything's secure, I'm just going to fluff out each one of those little tails. And then I'm going to take some jute and just run around the middle to cover up the cable tie and just tie it in the back. Now I'm going to just tighten that band and add a little bit of hot glue. I'm not gluing it to the frame because maybe I'll want to change it out later. And then I'm going to take my messy bow and I'm going to glue it right to the bottom. I think that's a perfect spot for it. And I have this little wooden cross I got at the Dollar Tree, and that will be perfect for the middle. I just love how this piece came out. So here it is hung over my doorway in my entryway of my home, and it's just perfect. I'll probably add some floral design on each side of it. If you would like to make this design for yourself, please feel free to message me and I will make it into a kit just for you. You can shop all my amazing chalk products at charmingchalkart.com. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.